Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 2, Solving One-Step Equations. This is going to be really exciting and kind of just a review because in 6th grade you guys actually started solving one-step equations already. So we'll probably be able to speed past this or speed through this. Our target statement says today I will utilize models for one-step equations and apply inverse operations so I can solve for the variable. I'll know I have it when I can justify my answer using substitution. So we're not just going to get to the answer, we are going to justify our answers, and we're going to show you how you can do that as we go on with this. But before we move forward, I wanted to link math equations to careers. So understanding math equations and understanding how to solve them leads to very prestigious type careers. One that was really interesting to me was aerospace engineering. You guys will understand Elon Musk's engineering masterpiece. His link is right down here where he talks about the different rocket ships that are going into space, his goals and his dreams and aspirations. The great thing is MIT, I know that looks kind of funny, but that's MIT School of Engineering. They have an aero astro engineering program. Here's the link for that, the degree information, and you can even study abroad, which means they would pay for you to go to another country and study in their astro engineering field in that country. That doesn't mean you have to learn a second language. England has one. I know that's probably not the best thing right now with this whole COVID thing going on, but when that all calms down, then you will be able to actually travel and have experience, and they'll pay for you to go do that if you apply and you're accepted into the study abroad program, which I think you should check out that link. It sounds very exciting. So one thing that the aerospace engineer needs to use is logic and reasoning. When you look at equations, you have to use logic and reasoning. You need to be able to solve problems. That's what this does. And you need to be able to utilize specific methods in solving problems, but sometimes think outside of the box. So you're able to find the patterns, you're able to follow the rules that it comes down, or the methods to solving these problems. But you also sometimes need to kind of look outside of that one box that's there, or that one type of problem, and be able to see how the problems can be solved or utilized. Kind of like the simplifying expressions. When the expressions weren't all lined up, how we color-coded them to be able to see which ones we needed to combine together. And then we moved them around to be able to then show us how they were able to then be simplified or combined. So that's what's great about this. You do need a bachelor's degree, which is 4 years of college. However, one thing you need to think about is time does move on. So after high school, 4 years of college, where do you want to be 4 years after high school? I did put the link right here to show you kind of his whole take on what he's doing with engineering when it comes to outer space and when it comes to being able to utilize the engineering field for aerospace. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy this and you can see the link and get excited about learning math equations. Again, we're just solving one-step equations, but that's the beginning to being able to move into such a great and exciting career as an engineer. So let's move forward with the guided notes next.